Okay guys, little short tutorial how to replace the cabin filter on a Kia Sorento 2026 3.3 engine. And how do I know it's time to replace it? Yup. Hey, don't give me hate. We bought the car like probably 8 months ago, and we decided to take a look at this because the AC was not cooling well enough, but this is the reason probably. All right, let's go buy one. All right guys, here you are. Micro guard, one of the cheapest one O'Reilly's has. Okay, 2656. All right, so let's install it. All right guys, I'm inside. I already took it out, so it's right there. So let's open the glove. Yeah, that's how you open it. You open it. You gotta do all the reverse, okay? All right. Oh my goodness. Take it out with one hand, of course. And you cannot go wrong. This tells you airflow, so it's going that way. So you put the arrows like that. Take it out again, airflow, and then you just insert it here. Nice, right there, all the way in. And this thing goes like this. Now the other way around, like this. You just push it in. There you go. In order for you to take it out, you just press here, and you just pull. All right, press here and pull. Now, in order for this little arm goes there, so just insert it back. Once you have it there, you will need these gadgets, and they go here. Okay, so you will need to align it, and boom, boom, you just turn it in, and that's all you gotta do, man. So let me show you how it is done. Turn it until it goes in. Once it goes in, twist it. Did you see that? Get it in. If it goes in, perfect. Then you twist. Now let's do the other side. Again, stick it in there. There you go. Finally it's in, and then you twist. Then you pull these, stick it in there. Ta-da! That's all it is. All right, it's installed. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.